Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hello, I'm MJ, and for my returning subbies, hello and welcome. Today I have an exciting unboxing, and I did the unboxing on my YouTube, no, on my Instagram, on my IGTV, so it's not a true unboxing, but I will do a quick unboxing here too. And it came in the mail in this box, and if you open this box before, you know it's pretty hard, so you can tell on my IGTV it's pretty hard to open. So it came in this box, it says Louis Vuitton here, oops, let me receive, so it's pretty safe box. Let's take this out, put the box down. And here is my receive, and here's the box, and it's from the newest collection. So let's take the ribbon off. And this particular one came, they had two in Norway, and it was only this color. So I was one of two who could get this in Norway. This is just a little card. So I've been waiting for this one. They had the launch date 19th of April. Came in this little dust bag. Put the box away. So here it is. So you have probably guessed that it is from the Giant collection, and I got my first cosmetic pouch. I have never owned any cosmetic pouch, so this is my first one. So it's green here. Do a close up. It's so pretty in the end with a flower. And the other side, and under you can see the beige flower and the white. And here is white and a beige color. So this is a Giant collection with a giant flower, and it's lined up very nice. Here is the Giant LV, and a zipper. It's in gold. LV with a flower in the end, and it's stitched like a two leather under here. And the zipper is so smooth, listen, so smooth. And inside is wipeable. And here is the tag and the fabric, coated fabric, co-hold leather trim, man-made lining. And here is the number if you're interested in. And mine is made in France. It's a beige interior, and it has a pocket here. So happy! This is my first Louis Vuitton cosmetic pouch, and I would guess the size is between a medium and a large. I compare it to my phone. This is the Huawei Pro 20. So it's a little bit longer than my Huawei phone. just to, so we have some comparison. I will try to do also what I can fit in here. Well, I'm just so excited to finally have one from this collection. And as I said, this green color was the only color who came in Norway in this cosmetic pouch. So once more, white and beige and green under. So happy. And I have a little more unboxing I thought I would do here too. I got these two. This is the Stella Dot. And if you follow me on my Instagram, you probably have seen I have wear this one a lot. I will show you. Open like this. And here it is. It's a bracelet. Come closer. Got some stones and a little heart. Not sure if you can see. There's a little heart there. And I think this one will stuck pretty to my other bracelet. And it's like you can stretch it a bit. Let's take it on. Okay. Love it. I think it would be great for to the summer. And here is Susie. And I also got another thing from Stella Dot. Came in another color. Also open like this. And it's a pair of earrings. And this is also my first purchases from this brand, Stella Dot. So I had to order this online. No, I bought it from eBay. Yeah, bought it from eBay. So that's my purchase. It's gorgeous bracelet and earrings and this cutie. I know my little Susie went up in this box. She loves boxes. You want to say hi to the camera? Hi, Titi. You probably have seen her a lot on my Instagram story. And my dog, Cindy, they are besties. Bye. So that was all. I wish you all a fabulous day, and please hit the bell below if you will be notified when I upload my next video. I do a couple a week, and in the end of the month, every Friday, I do some outfits video. So until next time, have a fabulous day or night. Take care. Bye.